Hey everyone, it's Kim the Homeschooling Grammy, and today I thought it would be fun to share with you an unboxing, a little something special that Hopi's aunt sent to her for Easter. So if you're interested, stick around and we'll get started. So here we have our little box. It's from Dope Slimes. I've never heard of it before.
Dope Slimes?
Dope Slimes. My daughter was like, Mom, I want to send Hopi something special for Easter. And I was like, oh, all right. So I don't know a whole lot about them. No, I'm not sponsored. Poppy's just sitting over here being all quiet. All right, you ready to open?
Poppy.
Being Poppy. So here, I'm going to put this down just a little bit so you can see. Let's not show my address. Let's not do that. All right. All right, so let's show them what came in the box. So
Mints.
Mints.
Candy.
I don't know.
Lollipops. They're lollipops.
Yes, it looks like there's like little dum-dums for Poppy.
Dum-dums.
All right, can you sit down for a minute, please? All right, so yeah, she got two little dum-dums.
Yay, pineapple. I love pineapple dum-dums.
All right, sit back a little. It says, slime care, tips to ensure your slime's longevity. Slimes may melt by nature due to heat exposure or transit. Add a few drops of activator into the slime and knead. Make sure not to add too much activator or your slime will be ruined. Mix the included packet of borax powder, approximately half a teaspoon, with 1 cup of hot water. Save this mixture for future use. And it said how to hard or stiff slime, knead in some baby lotion, baby oil, or run the slime under warm water for a few seconds. Make sure to wash and dry your hands before and after playing with the slime. Keep it in an airtight container when not in use, and store in a cool, dry place or area when possible. Keep away from small children, furniture, and pets.
Small children?
Yes, floams, fish bowls, slushy slimes, etc. should stay a bit sticky to ensure the beads do not fall out. And it has an enjoy your 10% off your next purchase. All right, that was a whole lot of information. All right, so the first one is called Cotton Candy Crispies.
And the second one is called...
What is it? Marshmallow Puff. All right, so we're just gonna like take a look. She's crazy.
Yep.
Ooh, feel it.
Oh my.
So this one is the, what did we say it was? Cotton Candy Crispies.
It smells.
Oh, we need a smell-o-vision. Doesn't that smell good? And look, like there's little, it's
beads.
Like beads. It feels like, if they feel like Rice Krispie treats.
Yay, so that means that we can eat it.
Oh, sure.
No. Did you just not hear the directions? Do not eat. Making me question this 9-year-old's ability to have slime. Not that she hasn't had slime before, but doesn't that feel weird? Let Poppy feel it. Feel it. It does. It kind of feels like Rice Krispie treats.
Yeah, that's exactly what it feels like to me.
This smells so good.
It does.
Very.
Grammy. All right, put it back in there. Let's check out the other one. So that's fun.
Yeah.
The second one is Marshmallow Puff.
Marshmallow Puff. She's an old lady. She can't open it.
I can't get it open. Oh, boy, that was on there tight. Oh, look at this one. Woo! Look at it. It looks like marshmallow.
It smells the same.
It smells like marshmallows.
Oh my goodness.
Does look like marshmallows.
Here, honey, want a smell?
Sure, why not? That's interesting.
All right, let me feel it.
Hard to describe.
Oh,
smell.
wow. Now, not only does it smell like marshmallows, but it even feels like marshmallow. It feels like sticky marshmallow, crispy marshmallow that you would put. Here, Poppy. Feel it, Poppy.
Yeah, it does. It does feel
Doesn't
like...
it? Yeah. It's like gooey, like marshmallow.
It smells like marshmallow.
So, this is kind of fun.
Oh,
Yeah, and sticky. And this will be definitely a toy for the kitchen. It will be not to be in my living room.
Okay. You don't have to give me a kiss.
Okay. So anyways, thank you, Auntie Shayla.
Thank you.
Don't yell in my ear.
I just yelled in her ear.
My Grammy, my ear's right here.
Thank you, Auntie Shayla.
There we go. Thank you, Auntie Shayla. Or Aunt Shayla, not Auntie.
Not Auntie. So this was really fun. I can leave a link down in the description box if you guys would like, in case you're interested in this slime. It is pretty fun. I've never heard of it before, and it smells delicious. Apparently, there's all different kinds. That's what my daughter said. So she had a really hard time picking one. All right,
Oh
y'all.
my goodness.
Oh my goodness. So let's say goodbye. Bye,
Bye.
everybody. See you next time.
Slime-tastic.